Hi guys, it's Miss Magee. I wanted to make another video because I miss you all and I just want to say hi and hope that everyone's doing good, and I'm sad that I can't be with you guys, but I am excited that I can make these videos for you and hopefully get you guys something to be creative and do something fun since everything is kind of crazy right now. So, since Easter's coming up, I was thinking of a few Easter activities that could be done at home. And then Miss Frere told me that you will soon be learning shapes and learning to recognize shapes and to draw them and to know which one is which. So I decided to make a shape egg. I found this template of a egg, so I'll send it to Miss Ferreira so she can send it to you all so you guys can print it and cut it out and color it, or I'm sure if you didn't want to print it, you could color it online. You could just do about anything. So I started off with mine. I colored just different little sections, different colors, because I wanted it to be colorful and fun. And then I went through, and since we're focusing on shapes, I thought, oh my gosh, I should put shapes on my egg. So I went through, and at the top, I have my triangles, and then I have my circles, and then I have my diamonds, or another name for these is a rhombus. The next one I have a square, and then I have ovals. Ovals look very similar to a circle. However, an oval is a lot longer, as you can see, compared to these ones aren't as long. They're just a circle, where this one is a circle but a longer circle. And then I have a star, my rectangle, and then a trapezoid. So I just wanted to make this little example just so you guys can kind of see. Yours can look any way you want. I want you to be super creative. You can put any shapes, any color. You could even trace out shapes and glue them on if you have little sticker shapes, if you just want to draw them like I did. You can do just about anything. Just be creative with your egg and add all the shapes that you want. I also found a game. I'll send it to Miss Ferrer as well, so you guys can print it and cut it out, or whatever you guys want to do. So I have these little cards, and then it comes with some carrots because bunnies love to eat carrots. So here I have my circle, a star, I have my trapezoid, a rectangle, a triangle, even though most times they look like this, but it's just upside down. So this is still our triangle, our diamond, or what's the other word? Rhombus. So a diamond or a rhombus. So it has all these different shapes, and the bunny is right next to the shape. And then we have the carrots, because bunnies love to eat carrots. So the point of the game is, so I have all these different cutouts of carrots. I have so many. And so I would look at my bunny, and he wants to eat what? What does he want to eat? He wants to eat a carrot, diamond, or a rhombus. So I'm going to go through and look at my shapes. And here I found this one that looks kind of similar to this. So I'm going to try to match it up. And it matches. So this one, the bunny wants to eat the diamond or the rhombus. And so I would put this here and do a matching game. I also, for the next one, let's do this one. Do we know what this one is? A square. So a square, we have 4 equal sides. All of the sides are the same length. So I'm going to go through, and I'm going to go through as this one. Maybe let's see. Ooh, I don't know. I think that this one has 2 of the same sides and then 2 other same sides. I don't think it fits. So maybe let's try this one. What do we think? Yup. So the bunny wants to eat this square carrot. So the point is just to kind of match each carrot to the picture. And if you want to play with mom or dad or whoever's watching you or a sibling, you could lay these all out flat like this so you can't see, and then pull one up and then try to find the match as like a little game, and whoever gets the most wins. So just a few little activities to kind of get you guys started with shapes and recognizing shapes and being able to do that. But I hope that you guys have such a good Easter. And if you can, post your eggs. I want to see your eggs. Yay! Have a good rest of your day.